Hi there, Sandra here from Createinspain. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing 3 different cards, one from this cutout and the other 2 are from a stamp of the same design. I'm going to use Vallejo shifters to colour this background layer. They do a wide range of different colours that shift from one colour to another, as the name might suggest. And although the camera doesn't do it justice, these are extremely shiny, glittery looking paints. They are designed for an airbrush, but in this particular instance I just used one of the magic brushes to put it over the surface in swathes of colour. Now I've stuck this to a background with my tack it over and over. Make sure you stick down the very tiny little pointed edges so that those don't come up, but leave the petals of the flowers unstuck. To finish the card off, I added some gems to it, and you can pull the petals up to make them dimensional if you'd like to do that. I made stamps from these negatives and I made them in 3 different sizes. As it happened, I only used 2 sizes, but I made them in 3. You'll notice that they do, on 2 of them, have a little center dot that you can do as well if you want to. I removed it eventually from the smaller of the flowers because it was too close to the petals, and to be honest, don't really need it. So for this particular stamp design, I used a 40-second cure on the back and a 30-second on the front. For the smaller ones, I got away with a slightly different time, 30 seconds on the back and 30 seconds on the front. So if you want to know more about the stamp making, I have a whole playlist of stamp making videos. It's pretty easy to do when you get the hang of it, but it does take a little bit of getting used to. But it does give you the ability to make stamps of whatever size and design you want to, which is absolutely brilliant. This is what the finished stamps look like, and that little piece cut out of it is where the center dot is. So obviously you can use that separately if you want to. Now I've done 2 different cards with these stamps, and the first one is using a very pale ink on watercolour paper, and then I've gone over it with either coloured pencils or in some cases watercolour pencils, added some pen dots to the rest of it and then mounted it. And the other one I'm stamping the images out with Versamark, and I am using various items of Mica makeup in order to brush the colour on and get this wonderful, nice, sparkly looking colour. If you have proper pigment powders, fine, use them, but if you have old makeup that you're not doing anything else with, then you can use that. Do heat set it before you use a cotton pad to rub off any excess, or else the whole lot is going to get smudged and will make a mess. After mounting it on a white card, and I've deliberately left an area of white at the bottom of it, this one's going to be a landscape one, I went in with a white pen and did some little squiggly lines, and then after that I went in with a sparkly pen and I added center lines to the flowers that go out like stamen, and that brings a really nice sparkle to it. So this is the final card. I hope you'll have fun with the design, either cutting it out or indeed making the stamps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care.